Ever wondered how you can make up to $525 a day just by typing names online? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started and maximize your earnings. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can boost your income even further. Introduction to opportunity. Here's how it works. Typing names can earn you money quickly. For example, typing one page of names earns you $15. 5 pages bring in $75, 20 pages get you $300, 35 pages can make you $525. You can do this from your phone or computer, and it's completely free. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Step 1. Signing up on Talent Desire. First, visit talentdesire.com. This platform offers various work-from-home opportunities, but today we'll focus on typing jobs. Here's how to get started. Go to talentdesire.com. Scroll down to find the Apply Now button. Click it to be redirected to the application page. Step 2. Completing your application. To apply, fill out your personal information. Enter your first and last name, email address, phone number, and country. Set your job title. Type Professional Data Entry Specialist. Choose your availability. Select All Day to maximize job opportunities. Select your payment method. Choose PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Once completed, click Submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email with details on your assignments. Step 3. Boosting your typing skills. For better rates and more opportunities, take a free typing test at ratatype.com. Visit ratatype.com. Click the button to start the typing test. Complete the test to get a certificate showing your typing speed and accuracy. A higher typing speed and accuracy can increase your earning potential. Step 4. Applying for jobs back on talentdesire.com. Scroll down and click the Apply Now button again. Look for the red link that says, Fill in your data to apply and work with us. Complete the application with your typing certificate in hand. This step will ensure you are accepted faster and have access to high-paying tasks. Conclusion. That's it. By typing names online, you can easily earn $300 to $525 daily. If you follow these steps and take advantage of the typing certificate, you'll be well on your way to making money from home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pluscoin, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future money-making tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +_in.